how to log in or create or sign up for Amazon account. In order to sign in or sign up for Amazon account, open the Amazon application from your respective Play Store or your App Store. Once you've opened up the app, you want to simply select your country, region, language and currency and hit the done button. Now here, by the way, if you already have an account, you can just tap on the sign in button that you would be able to find here and simply make sure to enter your email address or phone number, tap on the continue button and enter your password to log in. And by the way, if you are new to the Amazon app, then you can also go to the create account button right there and you can create an account using your first name, your last name, and after that you can also go ahead and then make sure to enter your email, create a password, tap on continue and also finish creating your Amazon account. This way you'll be able to either sign up or log into your Amazon account. I hope that this video helped you. If you have any questions, feel free to also leave them down in the comment section below. As always, thank you very much for watching till the end of this tutorial and see you soon in the next video.